Friends, good morning. Today I am going to tell you new pattern. I am not sure people are India are aware of. So let's go ahead with new pattern. This is as usual. Pattern name is V bottom. V bottom pattern can be used in 30 minutes 1 hour time frame, or preferably this can be used in swing trading. What is V bottom? V bottom is a V shape. Through its name suggests, through is very sharp. A V bottom often occurs in a bearish trend and announces a trend reversal. However, it may also form bullish trend. A V bottom regularly appear after economic announcement that has taken investor by surprise. This is a sign of high volatility. Several criteria make it possible to identify V bottom. The lowest point of V bottom is often formed by a single candlestick, often with a large low wick, which indicate the investor desire for a reversal. I already told you candlestick pattern, so you can understand that the sudden bearish movement that form V is driven by very sharp steep bearish trend. The price hardly passes during movement. The angle of bullish line leading to the bullish reversal must almost identical to angle of bearish line that led to bearish movement. The pattern neckline is formed by highest point preceding the formation of V. You see the diagram. This is graphical presentation of V bottom. You have to identify this pattern in daily chart, and as already told, this appears usually once any economic announcement is there. So you see here, you see it is a forming a, you see the trend is going down, then it formed the bottom, and there is a reversal from here, and it then a small uptrend, then again retest, and it bounce back in upward direction. So this is a reversal V bottom, and you see the continuation V bottom. So you can realize these two, the difference between here from uptrend reversal, from uptrend to downtrend, and here you see continuation, means it was going in uptrend, then again downtrend, then it came back and retested the resistance, and it has gone. So this is the difference between reversal V bottom and continuation V bottom. So there are two patterns in V bottom. Notes: it is very difficult to anticipate V bottom, so we must have a lot of practice on V bottom. The interest in pattern lies in its potential to reverse trend. V bottom often appear in a channel. So you see, I already told you channel. Once channel is formed, then there are chances V bottom happens more. The bullish movement continue in most cases once figure is completed, with the trend. So always bullish movement. I am sharing trading strategies with V bottom. So trading strategy, then aggressive trading strategy, then statics. So trading strategies. Entry, where you have to enter, open a long position at the break of neckline. So you see here, once neckline is broken here, you can draw a neckline from here, and once it's break, you can go ahead in reversal V bottom and continuation V bottom. Stop loss, the stop loss is placed below the neckline. Let me show you. This is the neckline, it is already marked, so stop loss should be below. You see one candle below at the neckline ideally. Theoretical objective of the pattern. Advantage, the bullish movement very often continues after breaking the neckline, so it is giving always bullish movement. Disadvantage, what is disadvantage? It is difficult to place a stop loss correctly because only the real last lowest point is one at the bottom of V bottom. So you have to find out the way, but it is not too difficult. You can take a stop loss as usual 1% or 0.5%. You go ahead with that. What is aggressive strategy? So entry in aggressive strategy, open a short position if angle on bullish line that derives the bullish movement appear to be incidental to the angle of the bearish line that drove the bearish movement. Stop loss, the stop loss is placed under the last lowest one. Objective, return to the neckline. Advantage, the increase can be very fast. Disadvantage, the pattern is not yet confirmed and the bullish movement following V bottom low point could a simple correction. For your information, V bottom is a reversal chart pattern. It is a opposite of V top. So this is really nice movement. This is new pattern. This has not been covered. You might have seen, a lot of people might have taken training, so people are not aware V bottom pattern as per my understanding. This video is for education and earning purpose. To get profit as a trader, the problem is everyone is using indicators. Indicators have own limitation. So as a tactical trader, as an advanced trader, you must know the new patterns to get the profit. So I will advise to you to identify these patterns and let me know any help required. But already I shown the figure, so you will able to do that. Please subscribe video. In case of not subscribe, press the bell icon and forward to your friends for learning financial market. Financial market is a very good market and you have to see it in long term perspective. You can make your basic building process and go ahead for future investment planning and business purpose. This is from my end. I have already shared my details, so you can contact me for any query or clarification. Please feel free always. We all have to make a good team, and then we have to put joint effort, learning, sharing knowledge, and we can be a successful trader. Thank you. Thanks a lot, friend.